Now, consider example 2, where we want to determine the gain of a current-controlled current source. In our circuit below, we have a 20-volt ideal source providing a potential to the circuit to our right. On the right-hand side of our circuit, we have a CCCS, where we have an output, minus 450 milliamps, is equal to K, our gain, times IA, the current running through our 200 ohm resistor. To determine the gain, we first have to determine IA. And to do such, we have to apply Ohm's law to our resistor of interest. Now it's noted that the resistor has to adhere to the passive sign convention, such that when we express Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, the I is equal to our voltage potential, or drop across the resistor, per our resistance, where our voltage potential, or drop across the resistor, is minus 10 volts, and our resistance is 200 ohms, such that IA is equal to minus 50 milliamps. Now we are able to determine the gain based upon the equation for a CCCS. Our gain times IA will be equal to our output, such that K is equal to our output, minus 450 milliamps, per IA, minus 50 milliamps, where our gain is equal to 9.